why you're still broke, and how to fix it. Another month, another paycheck. And once again, you're broke before you even get started. You work hard, you sacrifice, and yet it feels like you're stuck in a never-ending loop. Why? Because the system was designed to keep you broke. Let's be real. No one ever taught you how money actually works. School drilled algebra into your head, but never once explained how to manage a paycheck. Your job pays you just enough to survive, but never enough to escape. Meanwhile, the rich keep multiplying their money while you wonder if you can afford rent next month. Sound familiar? That's because you've been playing by their rules, and the game was rigged from the start. But what if I told you there's a way out? The wealthy don't work harder than you. They work smarter. And today, I'm going to show you the one shift that can change everything. Step 1. You need to stop trading time for money. The rich don't rely on one paycheck. They create multiple streams of income. Step 2. Stop saving your way to wealth. Inflation is eating your money daily. If you want to get ahead, you need to learn to invest. Step 3. You need to rewire your mindset about money. The difference between being rich and staying broke isn't luck, it's financial literacy. But here's the thing. Most people won't take action. They'll hear this and go right back to their old habits. Will you? If you're ready to break free, start by educating yourself. One of the best books ever written on wealth building is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And the best part? You can listen to it for free. Right now on Audible. Hit the link in the description, start listening, and take your first step toward financial freedom today. Because if you don't change the way you think about money, you'll be trapped in this cycle forever, and you deserve better.